and gentlemen. Today I'm going to tell you about the Nerf wall me and my dad built. So when we were building it at the end, the glue came on the carpet. I was like, Dad, you're going to get in trouble. Then when Mom saw, she's like, what is that? And I said, glue. And I blamed it on Dad, but it was both of us. So she was like, Daddy, you're going in timeout.
Well, in my defense, we were told to build this Nerf wall. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
It's just 1/2 sheet of pegboard, and it was like $6 maybe or so at the Lowe's. And then we got 2 8-foot 1x2 pieces of board, little lath, I guess. And then we just cut it and built a frame around the outside, right? And I screwed it, but I wanted it to be strong, didn't I, William?
Mm-hmm.
So we glued it.
And my favorite weapon on the Nerf wall, I'm going to say it's this one. It's a pistol, but it's the best zombie weapon I have on this Nerf wall.
Okay. So we screwed it, we glued the boards in. And all the boards do is just keep the actual board off the wall so that the pegboards would fit in. We built it, it was like $30 for everything except for the pegboard, or the pegs. The pegs were kind of expensive, but all told it was less than $100 for everything. And did we have a problem when we first put it on for you to know where to put all your guns?
Mm-hmm.
How did we fix that, buddy?
You told me how to, then I did it.
Yes, but what did we put on the board to show where your guns are?
We put these things, and if we glued it, the guns would stay up there and we couldn't get it off. So we just put like little metal things to hold them up. So now, when I want to get a Nerf gun off, it comes right off.
But you can't tell. But did we put magic marker? Did we put paint pen around the guns?
Yeah, because how are we going to know which gun goes which?
So all we did is we traced the gun on the board, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
And now you know where all your guns fit, don't you?
Yeah.
The problem is, did we get new guns after we did the board?
Uh-huh. So now, where are we going to put those new guns? Like yesterday, my dad got me an Airsoft MP40.
Yeah.
My birthday. Here, I'll go show it to you.